Hi, my name is Gary, and I'm here today with Shay at Dump Dolly LLC, and we're going to demonstrate to you our newest dump dolly, the Super Duper Dumper. Shay, can you show us how it operates, please?
It's powered by 2 lithium batteries, common batteries.
Slip right in.
Slides right in there. Another one goes right here. This is an easy latch, so it works with this type of can. Come up here, put it on. Lean it back.
And this has 140 pounds in it, is that right, Shay?
Yes, it does.
Now what?
Basically, bring it up.
And we can do this 50 times without recharging.
That's correct. We've got 50 dumps with 1 battery. This is magnetic, goes right back in the cradle. Bring it right back down. 12 seconds up, 12 seconds down. Less than 30 seconds to dump your trash safely. Much lighter now, much easier. Hi, I'm Shay Scott, founder of Dump Dolly LLC and the inventor of the Dump Dolly. We're here today introducing Dump Dolly's latest dumper, the Super Dumper with Easy Latch. The safest, easiest, and fastest way to dump your trash on the planet today, and it only takes 1 person. The Super Dumper was designed to reduce the risk of workplace injuries by eliminating heavy lifting, strains to the body, and contact with the contents of the container. It's powered by 2 lithium slide-in type batteries that can dump up to 50 dumps on a single charge. The Super Dumper can dump up to 150 pounds safely and easily with just the push of a button. The Easy Latch secures the can to the lifting bar on the dolly. It's easy on and easy off. If it has a lifting bar on it, it'll fit the Super Dumper. The Super Dumper model is available in 70-inch, an 82-inch, and 94-inch, and fits most all dumpsters, and it's sure to fit yours too. Every Super Dumper comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, a dual charger, and 1 32-gallon toter trash can. It's a safer way to dump your trash. It's an easier way to dump your trash. It's a 1-person operation. It's portable and easy to move and operate. It's a simple push-button process, and oh yeah, it only takes up to 3 square feet of floor space. Dump Dolly, preventing workplace injuries 1 dump at a time. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to dumpdolly.com. Just that simple.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.